This is the calm before the storm. In just 11 days, you are going to get the decision for one of the most important things on the charts right now that is going to completely change everything that we've seen for crypto so far. So all of the gains that we've seen, are they going to be retraced, or are we going to continue towards the upside, seeing altcoins go absolutely crazy, Bitcoin maybe hit 150,000, and also Ethereum potentially breaking out and reaching more than $4,000 to $5,000. Today, guys, I am going to talk about exactly that. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to talk about everything you need to know right now, because I'm seeing a very important mistake that a lot of people are making right now. And this is something that is causing a lot of people to not only lose a lot of profits, but also some of them are getting absolutely wrecked, guys. So today I need to talk you through all of these things, and I need to talk you through what I see happening, what I'm personally doing. I will update you on all of my own trades. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. And first, I want to quickly mention about Bitcoin here, that Bitcoin is going sideways. And you can see that we're right below the orange line right here. And we have done so, or we have been down below this orange line for, what is this, like more than a week already. So Bitcoin is consolidating here, and while Bitcoin has been consolidating, you have seen the rest of the altcoin markets go nuts. If you look at the last week, you can see it's very green, although right now, just at this moment today, you are seeing a bit of a pullback, and I'm already starting to see a lot of people question this move and say that, okay, was this it? And are we going to go down from this point? Was this just a little bit of a pump to trap a lot of people? And I get that, because a lot of people have PTSD from the previous runs when altcoins have been popping a little bit and then they go down. But what I've always been saying is that you are going to have this volatility, guys. Things are not up only anymore. You are going to have pumps and then you're going to have drops. And in the meantime, that is why I am using my trading strategies here, which are so effective, because they are taking advantage of the move down, buying on the way down, and then, closing those trades on the way up. So that is fine. It has a built-in strategy to actually buy the dip and get out as we're getting higher. So that is great, but you're gonna have this. So you just need to be prepared for it. And there's not gonna be like an up only. Okay, maybe at the very end, and that's when you get the blow off top. But yeah, just know that we are going to see these pullbacks, and you need to make sure that you're not going to get liquidated, because the biggest mistake that I see people do right now is, if we go over here to the amount of liquidations, you can see that in the last 24 hours, 400 million worth of longs have been liquidated and $100 million worth of shorts. Now, on this move towards the upside for Ethereum and other altcoins, you know that shorts have been absolutely wrecked. Now, the sad part about this is that because people are trying to time the top, they're trying to time the bottom, they are getting wrecked, because even though, let's say you believe we're going to go up. So let's say you believe you enter a trade here for Ethereum, you believe we're going to go up, and then you see a pullback, you get liquidated here, but then we start to go up, and even though you were correct on the move, because you didn't use good risk management, because you didn't have a good strategy, you got wrecked before you actually got to see those gains. So this is something you need to be careful of, and I see this time and time again. People using too much leverage, people taking on too much risk, because usually they're very late, so they've been seeing this move here and then they want to FOMO at the top. So I'm just gonna put some words of caution here, that you need to be careful with FOMOing into the top using too much leverage. So nothing is financial advice in my videos, of course, and I am not the financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I have learned throughout the market so far, with over 15 years worth of experience of trading. Yeah, this is why I was telling people to get in early, but also with the trading strategies, you're not getting in with the entire position. So it is going to get in with a little bit, and then it's going to buy on the way down as we go up. So, or as we go down, sorry, and take profit as we go up. So that is what I would do if I was on the sidelines right now. But apart from that, it's decision time, guys. In just 11 days, you're going to have the monthly close for July. And if we manage to close this monthly candle above this yellow line here, this is a key moment, not only for Ethereum, but for the altcoin market in general. Because like I said, this is the most important thing, and I will continue to remind you every single day of the progress of this triangle here, because this is huge. And if we manage to break through it and stay above it and close above it, this is massive. This has been consolidating since 2020, guys. So absolutely crazy. For almost 5 years, this has been consolidating. So this is huge. We need to pay very close attention to it, and I will continue to update you. In terms of trades right now that I'm taking and looking good, you can see that many altcoins are right at below resistance or right at support. So many altcoins are at key moments. So you can see that Solana is right below 177 here. Key support, resistance at my orange line. So we tried to break through it here, but the bears pushed us down. Same for Doge. You can see we're seeing Doge is one of those that are actually seeing a breakout. Finally, Doge is seeing a breakout towards the upside. So that is great. If you look at Cardano, we're right at support for Cardano. So not a super bad idea to actually maybe scoop up some ADA here if you haven't already. Same for XRP. You can see that XRP, after breaking through this, okay, this is not at the support. I need to figure out the next levels of resistance here for XRP because we broke through my last resistance here. But looking good for XRP. And for Pepe, we're right at support here of the consolidation as well. So in my opinion, the altcoin market is still looking very good. And I think that this is going to be key when we break through this and close above this here in July in 11 days. So this could be one of the last good opportunities to get in before the prices actually start to go absolutely crazy here towards the upside. In terms of my own trades, so I have a few individual trades open. First, the Pepe one, you know that I already took 50% on the trade right here. I still keeping 50% of the position. It is up 10% right now. And then the XRP position is also here. I got in with 50K. I have some orders at lower levels for XRP if we go down lower. So I'm going to average into this one if we see a pullback. So that is the individual trades. And for my trading strategies, they're doing really, really good. With the volatility here, they're just making more and more gains. And I think, okay, this is huge, guys. Big milestone right now. For the first time in a very long while, I've been holding this when it was minus 1.7 million. I've been saying this is going to turn around. And now all of my strategies are at profit. Every single one of them. And every single one of you guys who have been using the same trading strategies, you should also be at incredible gains. Look at this, guys. Bitcoin, it's up 631K. Ethereum is up 190K. This feels really good because this was really hard to hold because it was down tremendously at one point. Solana is up 53K. And Doge just crossed into the green here as well. It's up 10K. You can see that the XRP strategy is up 109. ADA is up 85. Second Bitcoin. And why did I open the second one? Because the first one was starting to go out of range. So it was below the price range. And I said, this is a good opportunity to buy the dip. And I bought the dip. I added the strategy here at the dip. It's up 132K. 105K on the second Solana bot. And then on the second Doge strategy, I'm up 50K. So yeah, things are going completely according to plan here. This proves also that instead of just holding coins, you are better off. This is what history has been showing because I'm keeping everything transparent here. What I have found out here transparently on the channel is that these strategies, they are a better option if you are looking for more gains. Let's continue. So I want to talk about a few different things here. Oh, first, if you want to use my trading strategies, of course, go down to the description of this video right now. You have first the tutorials here at the top, and then you have the link to sign up right here. Claim the amazing bonuses using this link, and then with one click you can use my main coins and then the rest of the coins that I have in my bull market portfolio. And if you want to use it for Pengu, you want to use it for any other coin that I am not listing the link for here, click on this. It's going to take you to the cheat where you will be able to find it for Pump or Pengu, Render, whichever coin you want to use it for. So you can take advantage of that. And if you want to join individual trades, then the best exchanges, in my opinion, that I'm using personally, Wex and Tapit, and they have incredible. Even if you are from the land of the not so free, you can use Wex, you can use Tapbit. So you can click on any of these links here. Of course, Pionex is the best exchange. You have it here at the top as well. But if you are from a very strict country, then yeah, keep that in mind. So one thing I want to show you is for everyone trading gold, gold is approaching a 3-month consolidation here, and we're about to see a breakout here. Are we going to break it towards the up or towards the downside? Most likely towards the upside, but we will see, guys, because I think the market is starting to expect a lot of money printing to happen. I wanted to show you also that a lot of whales are actually taking profit at these price levels, but it's been offset by the sheer amount of money being injected through the ETFs and also through all of the institutions buying all the treasury companies. So that is all looking good, guys. I hope that you get to enjoy your Saturday, and I will see you guys in the next one.